This is where our old fridge used to be, but I got him to get a new fridge just so I could peel off all the stuff. I'm pretty excited. Okay, so this was for everyone else, but not for me. In watching a lot of these on Reddit, and it's just all over the internet, I've learned that people don't grunt, groan, and moan while they're doing it, which is what I did in my other peeling videos. So I'm gonna try to be quiet, but I will apologize ahead of time if I do grunt, groan, or moan while pulling this off. Oh yeah. I'm peeling. Now we gotta take the handle off. You got an Allen wrench? Thank God this is being edited, right? What? Okay. We don't need these actually. This should be the big moment. This a sticker. Oh no! No! What? Is there plastic over there? Oh my gosh. That's bad. That's really bad. Oh my gosh. Look at this. What? Why would they do this? Why would they put a... Oh, okay, here we go. You want it to be clean. Yes! Now for the other big daddy. Here we go. Nice. Yeah. Oh, look at this. There's more to peel. Excuse me. The whole drawer has peeling. I think I broke it, but I got the peel off. Oh, look. I did break it. Oh. Somebody broke it.
Paisley can fix that.
Super glue? Brand new fridge with a broken drawer. I know the door's open. I'm peeling you, man. Stop complaining. Down here. Yes. Yes. Right up here. Yes. Right here. Look at that. The ice maker. How's it going? Shh. Shh. I know it hurts, but it also feels good, doesn't it? This is it. The freezer.